Welcome. We are solving question from two-port networks, and this was from electrical engineering branch from GATE 2016. So this was a numerical answer type question. So it says that we have to find the driving point input impedance seen from the source Vs of the circuit in ohm. So this is the circuit given to us. This is the source, and we have to find the driving point input impedance seen from the source in ohm. So let this current be Is. So we have to find Zs, and Zs is given as Vs upon Is. Okay, we have to find Zs. So how can we find Zs? So first of all, uh, this 4V1 and this 3 ohm are given, so we can interchange them. So let's write like this. This is 4V1. This is current, and this is your resistance 3 ohm. Okay, so this is your 4V1. So it is what? It is voltage dependent current source. It is 4V1. So this is a current source whose value is dependent on this voltage V1. V1 is the voltage across this 2 ohm resistance. So this is a voltage dependent current source. Okay, now why we interchange these two? Because of a simple reason, we want to reduce the network, because this is 4 ohm and 2 ohm are connected in series. So this can be replaced by a single resistance of 6 ohm. Okay, now this 3 ohm and 6 ohm are connected in parallel, so their equivalent will be 2 ohm. So I am replacing this with a single resistance of 2 ohm. So this can be replaced by a single resistance of 2 ohm. Okay, so now this Is, from this figure, this Is is equal to nothing but V1 upon 2. Is is equal to V1 upon 2. From the figure we can see Is is equal to V1 upon 2. So this is 4V1. So V1 is equal to 2Is. V1 is equal to 2Is. V1 is equal to 2Is. We can write here V1 is equal to 2Is. So this can be written as 8Is. This can be written as 8Is. Okay, so 8Is is this current, Is is this current. So obviously this current will be 9Is by Kirchhoff's current law, because 8Is and Is are the incoming currents at this node. So incoming current is equal to outgoing current, so the outgoing current will be equal to 9Is. Now we will apply Kirchhoff's voltage law in the outer loop. So minus Vs plus, this will be plus minus, and this will be plus minus. So minus Vs plus 2Is plus 18Is is equal to 0. So Vs is equal to 20Is. So Vs upon Is, and Vs upon Is is nothing but Zs, that is the driving point input impedance. So it is equal to 20. So the driving point input impedance is equal to 20 ohm. The driving point input impedance is equal to 20 ohm. So the answer will be 20. Okay, so this was a very easy question. It was based on two-port networks. Thank you. Please like and share the video and subscribe the channel. Also please share the channel with your friends group also, and help us to grow this channel. Thank you.